Hello to all of you. This is our story tonight. It's from the Tuamotu Islands. It's from the island called Fagatau. And this is a story about Tangata Arorangi. In ancient times in Fagatau, in a place called the Homo in Fagatau, there was this man named Tangata Arorangi. And one time what he did is he went down to Orovaru. Orovaru is this land underneath the land. You can also call it the night world. He went down to the night world in Orovaru. And he lived with this woman, and her name was Tipuna Kayariki. And in time she got pregnant. And when she was pregnant, he returned back to a Homo in Fagatau. And eventually she gave birth to a baby girl. And she named the girl Tamahekura. And the mother took care of the daughter, and the daughter grew up in Orovaru. And when Tamahekura had grown up to be a young woman, she came to her mother and she wanted to know, who is my father? Tell me about my father. And the mother said, well, his name is Tangata Arorangi. He's from a Homo in Fagatau. And the daughter wanted to go see her father. And the mother, she agreed to this. And she helped Tamahekura get ready to go. And then she explained to Tamahekura how she could go up into the day world. The day world is known as Papaterangi, which means the foundation of the sky. So Tamahekura, she came up to the day world, to Papaterangi. And she came out in a place called Tangitama in Fagatau. And she was like walking along to go find people and find out who her dad was. And some people saw her. And the thing about Fagatau is because it's not a big island, everybody knows everybody else. And these people saw this girl, and they knew that she wasn't from Fagatau. And so they're very curious, and they came to her like, who are you? And she goes, I am Tamahekura. And they said, where are you from? And she said, I have come here to look for my father, Tangata Arorangi. Well, they knew her father, Tangata. And so they went off and found Tangata, and they said, your daughter is here. And he was so happy. He took a mat, and he came over to the place where his daughter was at. He laid out the mat. They sat down on the mat. He cried because he was so happy to see his daughter. And after he's done crying, she stood up and she got ready like she was going to go home, like she was going to go. And he's like, no, you can't go. Why don't you stay here, enjoy yourself. We can eat, we can talk, then you can go. And she says, I can't stay here. My eyes, it's too bright for my eyes here in Papaterangi, in the day world. And so she went back to Orovaru, to the night world. And after she was gone, Tangata Arorangi, he told the people in Fagatau, he says, I am going to go. Don't think of me again. I'm not going to come back. I'm going to go down to Orovaru. And Tangata Arorangi, he went down to Orovaru, and he lived with his daughter and her mother. Ko te reko te hea pakari te rata whakakite noa mai. E tairoa ke ki te hana. Ko hope te reko. These are the words of the ancient people that they've told us all the way down to these days. These words are done.